Well, today needs to be a productive day. So I've made a bit of space. Look, I can get in. It's a bloody mess. I've got a walkway anyway, at least. But look at the state of that bench. Dear God. The thing is here, right? It's like the Black Hole of Calcutta in here. I still ain't got round to getting any power down the garage yet, so I'm going to try and rig something up. See, look at this. I'm trying to work in here. And this is like 10:30 in the morning. But the other day, I found this. And it's got life in it. And in my stash of stuff, I found this. Car reversing light. I feel a plan coming on. I knew I saved this little bracket for a reason yesterday when I stripped that border out. And a couple of screws out the scrap box. So using what I've found laying around in the shed, we've cobbled up this. Let there be light. That's better. Some old chromey clamp. Probably come off a bloody pushchair or something, no idea. Bit of gaffer tape. And a scrap battery. Now, I can see what I'm doing. Hey! Well, before anybody points out the fact that on my lamp, the positive wire is on the negative and the negative is on the positive. I know, but it works. Who cares? Now I don't mind stripping this twin and earth stuff because it's fairly simple. You just split the top and clamp it in the vise. Get hold of a bit of that, which is really hard to do with a phone in your hand, but then you just pull it through. Like that. That's how I do it anyway. And it's the same thing with the multi-core, like the triple cores here. Look, nick the end, pinch it up in the vise, get hold of it, pull it through. Singles, upgrade. Easy as that. Inside my local scrapyard. That's going in the bin. Well, I was out Christmas shopping, just having a drive round, and I spotted this on the side of the road. It's a Potterton boiler. Look at that. Look at that. Proper goodies. Yellow and orange gear. That's what we want. Now I should have filmed myself picking it up, but I was so excited to find it, I forgot. Never mind. It's in the shed. That thing when a bloke says, got a couple of lengths of copper pipe. Do you want them? Yeah, alright then. Working off all that food. Bit of hammer action. Bish bash bosh it. So inside the old Potterton boiler, look at that. A bit of stainless. That's a lead wash rad. There's another motor up there. Plenty of wiring in here. Open the lid. Look at that. Full of lovely goodness. Bit of everything. Well, we've just had Christmas Day and Boxing Day, and I hope everybody survived it. But I'm back out now because normally you get quite a bit chucked out over Christmas. But that was the slim pickings of today. An old gas fire, not like a wooden casing, but you do get copper and brass and stuff out of them. And we got a microwave, complete with its cable, and it's colour matched to me truck. How about that?